Rich Bond, and I'm the grand poobah of the moolah.
Hey folks, this is Rich Bond, your certified mortgage consultant with Benchmark Mortgage. What I'd like to talk to you about this morning is title insurance. Now, we all know that we have to pay for title insurance. We don't exactly know what it is that we're insuring, the title to what. I mean, none of us are knights or kings or anything like that, so we don't have those types of title. Basically, title insurance is something that you purchase that will protect your ownership of your home against the possible mistakes, errors, etc. that have happened in the past prior to you owning the home. So, for example, after you buy a house, a lien against the previous owner cannot come back on title. That's what your title insurance is for. Now, I didn't come up with the idea to do this video myself today. A guy named Steve up in Iowa did a blog article about title insurance, and what he said was extremely important. The whole premise of his article was when you're writing a contract on a home, you need to specify that you're going to have clear title. Now, most of your realtors are going to do that, but what does clear title mean? I mean, you're always going to have liens for utility easements. That just happens. Otherwise, you're not going to be getting power, water, or gas or sewer to your home. You're also probably, at least in the greater Houston area, going to have a homeowners association dues, and they're going to put a lien on your property as well. So be aware that that is coming. But you need to be careful about any other types of liens. I'd like to tell you a story about a family that I was trying to help a couple of years back. They actually chose to work with a different mortgage lender, and as they were going through the process of getting their loan closed, about 3 days before closing, the loan officer in question looked at the title and said, "Oh no, we have a problem." Being that they didn't review the title beforehand, they didn't notice that there was a child support lien against the property. Now, this was a short sale of a homesteaded property, and the seller of the property did not have enough cash to satisfy that child support lien. Had the loan officer, the title officer, and the realtor involved in this transaction on the selling side been more aware of the laws in Texas and had reviewed that title up front, they would have noticed that there was this issue, and they would have been able to clear it up. It's about a 30 to 40 day process to get that cleared up. But instead what happened was there was a purchase transaction that became unfinanceable, and the bank that was going to fund the loan had to basically say, "Nope, can't do it. We're not getting clear title." So while the bank is protecting you there, if this were a cash buyer, they might have gone on and closed without this knowledge. It's extremely important that you review your title commitment. And I would advise that you review the title commitment not only with your loan officer, but also review the title commitment with your realtor. Both these people, both these great minds, are going to be able to assist you in knowing what challenges and opportunities arise. This is Rich Bond. I'd like to thank you for taking the moment to watch this video and congratulate you for educating yourself. Have an amazing Wednesday.